Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a stunning presentation by combining two most powerful tools, ChatGPT and Canva. So without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, you have to come to ChatGPT and as a first step, you have to integrate your Canva account into GPT. So simply just uh, s- go to this profile icon and select the settings from here. Okay, you can find this apps and connector option over here and select here Canva. Okay, just click on connect and allow necessary access you want. Just allow all the access and yes, from you just wait for a few seconds and it's done. It's just connect your Canva account with GPT. Okay, so here you can see Canva is now connected. Now go back to GPT. Now here I want to create with the help of ChatGPT and Canva a travel agency presentation. So for that I have already created one prompt with the help of GPT itself. So you can also manually type your all slide content that you have in mind, or you can also first generate a prompt using a GPT itself. Okay, so I have already generated. So as a first step, what I will do, hi, actually you have to tell at the rate and select Canva. Okay, so can you please create a presentation for me? Below is my PPT content. Just simply write this, and here is my PPT content. I have generated this using GPT itself. Okay, so this is my prompt. So yes, and just press enter. Okay, okay, it will connecting to app, and it in just few seconds it will create a stunning presentations all the pages for you. We have to wait for few seconds. Let's wait. Okay, so now yes, now you can see here beautiful presentation pages over here, and this is the thing. It will Canva give us a four options. So let's open every link one by one. Okay, second option, third option, and the fourth option. Okay, so uh, uh, let's see how it went. This is about us. Good color combination, professional colors, who we are. So now in this you can add. Okay, you can add if you want. If you want to add something, you can definitely add. If you want to remove something, you can remove. Okay, so you can. This is much better. Okay, good color combination. I think I put this one. Okay, perfect. This is really good. Okay, now this one. Let's look at this one. Yeah, the image they choose is really beautiful in this presentation. Yes, this is good. This is the timeline effect you can see. Yeah, you can also change the image from here. You can put if you want to put any other image, you can put. Okay, Here it is fourth one. This is also good. And this is our, I think this is our fourth one. You can see the timeline effect over here. Okay, so yes, so definitely you can customize this four option as you want, and by layout and all the details you will get a better idea of the layout and every other things. Okay, so yes, this is for today's video, and I hope you like this video and enjoy this tutorial. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, stay creative. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye, have a great day.